Some will even tell me that they have an oily skin and oily skin are not supposed to be using facial oils. And I'm like, who is feeding you all these lies? Like, they are lies, because so far you are using the right facial oil for your skin type, you have nothing to worry about. Hey my loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at facial oils. Using facial oils in your skincare routine is actually a great way of providing your skin with the needed nourishment. It also helps strengthen and improve your skin barrier, leaving your skin looking plump, soft and glowing. But using the wrong facial oils in your skincare routine could actually be disastrous, leaving skin reactions like burns and flare-ups on your skin as seen on the screen. Now, in today's video, we're going to be looking at the best facial oils for certain skin concerns and skin types. I'm also going to be explaining to you guys the proper way to add facial oils into your skincare routine so as not to cause reactions. So you definitely want to stick to the end of this video, okay? So if this sounds good to you, make sure to give your girl a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and let's get straight into the video. Now, what are oils? I know you say oils are oils, right? But oils are also emollients, just like your body creams and your body lotions. But unlike your body lotions that penetrate deep into the layers of your skin to provide intensive, long-lasting hydration, oils tend to just stay on the surface of your skin and their moisturizing power is not strong at all. In fact, oils are not moisturizers, so you don't want to substitute your moisturizers for oils. But does that mean that oils are useless? No. Oils actually helps to protect and improve your skin barrier, giving you this silkiness and superficial hydration. They just sink deep into your skin enough to nourish the topmost layer of your skin. Facial oils tends to give our skin this kind of softness and smoothness that can be kind of addictive. Yes, try applying one of these facial oils on your skin and see if you will stop petting your face. Like, you will just keep petting your face like this. It's that addictive. Oils are also packed with essential nutrients, fatty acids and antioxidants that helps to repair and protect your skin. It also helps your skin to absorb other skincare products better into your skin. So if you have not been able to achieve that skin texture you desire from serums and moisturizers, you might want to try adding facial oils into your skincare routine. Now, before talking about some of the best facial oils for some of our skin concerns, let's address some misconceptions people often have about facial oils. Now, I've had clients tell me that they are scared to use facial oils because they feel like it's going to cause breakouts and acne and the likes on their face. And I know most of you are in this shoe. Like, some will even tell me that they have an oily skin and oily skin are not supposed to be using facial oils. And I'm like, who is feeding you all these lies? Like, they are lies, because so far you are using the right facial oil for your skin type, you have nothing to worry about. It's just going to give your skin this soft, supple and glowing look. Now, not all oils are meant for your face. Yes, that was why I titled this video facial oils. Yes, there are oils and there are facial oils. There are some oils that are comedogenic in nature that when applied on your face, they can clog your pores and make you to have so many breakouts, acne and the likes. So you want to make sure you are using non-comedogenic oils, oils that will not clog your pores. So far you are using the right facial oil for your skin type and also for your skin concern, you are safe. You will really see the benefit of using facial oils. Like, the glow it will add to your skin is just so amazing. Like, you just notice that your skin keeps getting smoother and smoother day by day. And if you are dealing with dry skin, rough skin, you definitely want to give facial oils a try. Now, let's talk about some facial oils that will be best for treating some certain skin conditions. And we'll be starting off with hyperpigmentation, acne and oily skin. So if you are dealing with acne, you have an oily skin, or you are dealing with hyperpigmentation, you want to choose oils that are rich in linoleic acids. Linoleic acids actually have pigment inhibiting properties that would help fade out your hyperpigmentation and discoloration. They are also lightweight, so they would absorb easily into your skin without any worries. Most people suffering from acne also go for oils that are rich in linoleic acid, because research has actually shown that people suffering from acne are actually deficient in linoleic acids. So using oils that are rich in linoleic acids will actually go a long way in helping in your acne journey. Oils rich in linoleic acid are actually very hydrating. They also serve as antioxidant and helps to regulate the enzymes responsible for sebum production. We all know the reason for our acne, right? Overproduction of sebum. So oils rich in linoleic acid will help reduce sebum production. This kind of oils also helps to change the quality of your oils, especially if you are looking towards combining oils. Oils rich in linoleic acid can actually change the consistency of your oil from sticky to more fluidy consistency, which is what people with acne want to go for. You do not want to apply heavy oils on your face. So some examples of these oils are mseed oil. Mseed oil is very rich in linoleic acid. It's also an anti-inflammatory oil that is also rich in amino acid, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Another great oil that will be very good for people with acne is grapeseed oil. Like, grapeseed oil is very good. It's lightweight. It also has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antibacterial properties that will be very good for people with acne, and also amazing for people dealing with hyperpigmentation and aging skin, because it will help repair your skin and give you that youthful glow. Sunflower oil is another amazing oil that is rich in vitamin E and that would also help protect your skin barrier. So if you are suffering from hyperpigmentation, acne, or you have an oily skin, you want to give one of these oils a try. So if you've watched to this point and you love what you are watching, please make sure you give your girl a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. Thank you. The next set of oils I'll be talking about are very great for hyperpigmentation and anti-aging, and that is rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is a very great oil for mature skin. Like, it's going to improve your fine lines and wrinkles, and it's also a natural source of vitamin A, also known as the retinoic acid, that would help with cell renewal, reversing of aging skin, sunspots, hyperpigmentation, and also very good for acne prone skin. So if you are the type that have sensitive skin and always react to retinol, you might want to substitute retinol for rosehip oil, because rosehip oil is also a natural source of retinol. So using rosehip oil will be very mild on your skin and won't cause you any form of reaction. Another great oil is evening primrose oil. Like, evening primrose oil is very good for acne prone skin. If you have an acne prone skin, oily skin, you want to definitely give evening primrose oil a try. I have a video where I talked about evening primrose oil supplements on this channel. I will leave the link up here and also in the description box, so make sure you check that video for the benefit of evening primrose. Like, I can't begin to count. Like, for acne prone skin, you want to definitely add evening primrose oil and evening primrose skin supplement into your skincare routine. Now let's move over to people with dry skin. You also want to use oils rich in linoleic acid due to its amazing benefits I mentioned earlier, but you also want to watch out for oils that are more occlusive, like argan oil. Argan oil is the best moisturizing oil out there. Like, it's going to help moisturize your skin. So if you are looking towards going from a dry looking skin to a more moisturized and glowy skin, you definitely want to give argan oil a try. Like, argan oil will help moisturize your skin. Argan oil is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, linoleic acids, and antioxidants that would help suit your acne. Now, argan oil is also lightweight, like no greasy feeling at all. So if you are scared of using some oils because of their greasiness, you definitely want to give argan oil a try. Like, and I promise you, you will be hooked, because it will just sink in into your face without any greasiness at all. Another amazing thing about argan oil is that it's an anti-aging oil, so it's going to help fade out your wrinkles and fine lines, help firm your skin, increase your skin elasticity, and give you that youthful glow you deserve. Another fantastic oil on my list is jojoba oil. Like, jojoba oil is one of my favorite oil because it's a go-to kind of oil for any skin type. Like, it's suitable for all skin type. It's just going to help treat any form of acne or sunburn you might have on your face, and it's a non-comedogenic oil, so it won't clog your pores. Jojoba oil is also an humectant, like it's very moisturizing. It will help lock in moisture in your skin, glow your skin, and help give you that radiant and healthy skin tone. So to cap it all up, let's talk about the proper way to use facial oils, because I noticed that most people often use these facial oils in the wrong way, and that is why they often end up with so many reactions. Now in my next video, I'll be talking about some mistakes people often make when using facial oils that might be causing so many reactions on their face. So you definitely want to subscribe to this channel now and turn on your bell notification so that when I upload that video, you'll be the first to know about it. But a quick one, let's quickly talk about the proper way to apply facial oils in your skincare routine. Now, to use all these facial oils, you want to make sure to moisturize your face first. You know, I said earlier that facial oils are not moisturizers, so you do not want to substitute your facial moisturizer for your facial oil. No, hydration is also key when it comes to applying facial oils. So you can either apply your facial oils by mixing it in your facial moisturizer like this, like you just scoop out a bit of your facial moisturizer, then you just add few drops of your facial oils into that face moisturizer, then you apply on your skin just like that. Or another method is that you first of all apply your face moisturizer, then you go over with few drops of your facial oils, then you massage on your face, and that's all. You are good to go. So that'll be all for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this video will be able to convince someone to try out facial oils in their skincare routine. So please don't forget to give this video a very huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart